Hey everyone, what's going on? I know it's been a while, but I wanted to make a quick video on how to install the door sills. I'm not sure what you call them, but these are the ones that say Viper. They look really nice. They go over the stock painted side door sills. So anyways, this is a really simple install. Should take just a few minutes, but I'll walk you through it real quick for those that are curious. Anyways, here we go. Alright, so let's get in here real quick. Open the doors to the beast. So this is what I'm talking about here. So hopefully you guys can see it okay. So this is stock. It's just painted over. And many of you, I don't know if this was an option in this year, but a lot of the newer ones have that. A lot of the older ones had it. So anyways, I just went on eBay, found a pair of these brand new. Guys shipped them pretty quickly. They're metal. They say Viper. They look really nice. I've already gone ahead and taken the 3 screws off. So there's only 1, 2, 3 screws you have to remove. Alright, so here we go. I'm focused in. These are the old screws, so they actually give you new hardware, which is really nice. This is really simple. There's just 2 little stickers at the bottom, so be careful when you put it in. You remove those 2 little strips. Now what you have to do is you have to get this sill underneath the weather stripping. So make sure you do that here. Let me zoom back out. Sorry, my camera's being a pain. So anyways, you have to get, there's a little lip if you look right here. And you have to get this under the weather stripping so it fits nice and snug, and then just kind of align it. But remember, you're gonna have just one shot to do it, so make sure you kind of put it where it goes already, and make sure you're over in the holes. So once you align it, it'll be stuck on there pretty nice. So I wouldn't lower it till you've got the holes aligned here at the top if you look. So I'm gonna put the camera down, get this in there, make sure it fits in nice and snug, and we'll put the new screws on there. So like everything else, always do a test fit. And I've gone ahead and put 2 of the 3 screws. So all you do is remove the top plastic cover that comes on this. As you can see, that looks so much better already. Boy, I really need to turn off the manual focus here. This thing keeps moving all over the place. Anyways, so I've got 2 of the screws. The screws that it comes with are so much nicer. These are the old ugly ones, as you can see, and the new ones are nice, matches the color. It looks like that fits pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off and remove all the weather stripping that's on there. Put this back on there, and hopefully I get it right. And there it is, guys. It took less than 5 minutes, I would say. Then I did a little test fitment like I told you guys earlier. Make sure it fits correctly. I didn't want to mess it up. So the thing I was testing for is make sure that the holes align really well, because it's a little hard to see and it's not perfectly aligned from factory anyways. And then just make sure you tuck that lip underneath that rubber seal. So the last test is to make sure this shuts and closes good. So let's see it. I think we're good. So that closed really well. And that's it. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to install the really nice door sills. I really like that metal look with the Viper on there. I've seen some really cool ones like carbon fiber. I've seen some that you can match the color of the car. Red, blue, you know, whatever color the car is. I really like these just being silver. And anyways, they were a good price on eBay. Guys shipped them out pretty quickly. They're actually made in Germany, which is nice. They look to be really good quality. So anyways, always wanted those on the car. Took 5 minutes to do the whole install. And it was really easy. Again, just prep the working area, clean it real nice with some rubbing alcohol or something to prep paint with, and really there's nothing else to it. Make sure you get the lip underneath the weather stripping, and other than that, that was pretty much it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to try to post more videos of the car. It had been in the shop for some time, getting a new full rebuild. So I'll talk about that in later videos. I've completely redone the motor. My goal is to make about 1,000 horsepower at some point. It was making about 700 on the stock motor with just the Paxton supercharger, some fuel pump upgrades. Anyways, now it has a clutch, fully built motor. We had some issues with the shop that built it. I'm not going to disclose that just yet. I want to see how the car runs. I want to see if they did a good job. But I'll probably talk about that more later on. But I do plan to make a lot more videos showing what the car's done, what the car's capable of, and hopefully where we want to go with the car. So anyways, like, subscribe. If you have any comments, please share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.